Okay guys, I know I haven't filmed anything for 2022 yet, but we have a new car, so it's time to open it. It just came in the mail, so first car in the new house until the rest of my diecasts show up. So, yeah, let's get her open. Oh, upside down. Nice. There it is. The Lamborghini Sian by Burago in the red spec, or red color. So let's open it up. I got this from Amazon. I used gift cards that I got for Christmas, so it was free for me. I think without gift cards it was only like $45 or something like that, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I went with red because I didn't really want the green launch spec color. I don't really like it, and I just don't like launch spec cars. But also, the first Sian I ever saw in person, like the first real one I ever saw in person, was red. So it's, I don't know, I guess it means something to me. But I actually forgot a screwdriver, so I'm gonna go and get one and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the screwdriver, so let's unscrew it and take a look. But yeah, my diecasts, the rest of my diecasts are back in Colorado still. Getting them down here to Austin has been logistically, like, it would be difficult. We are gonna get them down here eventually, but just hasn't happened yet. So, but I figured since it will happen, and because having this in Colorado would serve me no good, I shipped the Sian here. So, yeah. Alright, so now that that's done, here we go. Let's get rid of this tape. And let's get rid of these little plastic things that they always put on, or like the rubber, I don't know, whatever these things are. But yeah, let's take these off as well. Man, this one was really on there. Okay, I still need to take this off. Let's be delicate. Of course, they taped it. Okay, here we go. So, here we go. Let's get rid of all this stuff and take a look at it. So here's the side view. And above, I personally think the Sian looks pretty cool, so I'm happy to have the model. And I don't know, I think it looks pretty good for being one of the cheaper brands. I actually like it a lot. It's more in detail than I was expecting, actually. So, there's the front. Let's turn it around. There's the back. And let's see how much opens. I'm assuming the doors do. Yep. So both doors open. The trunk, or the frunk, which I guess doesn't really matter, but... And I'm assuming the wing does. I hope it does. The engine cover opens. Oh, maybe the wing doesn't come up, actually. I don't think the wing does come up. It looks like this is all one piece back here. That kind of stinks. But, yeah, here you go. Sian fully opened up. And then, just with the doors up. So, yeah, here's the newest car. And until the rest of my die casts get here, why is this not closing properly? Sorry, I had to figure out what was going on with the door, but yeah, I think until the rest of my cars get here, I'm gonna keep it in the TV stand here. It's just gonna kind of sit. But we'll have a proper display when the other cars get here, so yeah, I don't know. Thanks for watching.